today I'm just doing this quick little makeup tutorial. I really didn't do my full face. I just kind of did the eyes. I know I had a recommendation from someone actually that I know, someone that's my friend, that they wanted me to do an eyeshadow tutorial, and I went ahead and did this one, and of course I'm going to do some more and break it down maybe like on some steps how I did it, but this was just like a little fun one that I did. So it's just the eyes and this little lip color that I came up with. It's very peachy. So I used the peach palette that literally smells like peaches, y'all. I'm not playing. This thing smells like peaches. So this is the palette I use. Really, really cute. Really, really fun. And this is what I came up with. Let me know down below what you think, okay? Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Alright guys, so like I said, this peach palette smells so good. I love it. And doesn't it look so cute? I was going to say so good, but it looks cute and it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyebrows, and I'm using my Anastasia Dip Pomade, and you can see my brows just appeared. Then I'm going to use my concealer. I'm using my MAC NC45 Pro Concealer just to conceal my eyes, but just before I begin to put any of those shadows on there. This is just to help those shadows stick. I'm going to head and moisturize my lips up, and now we are ready to do a little dance, and then we are going to get started with the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off with this bottom color. It is called Peaches and Cream. I'm going to put that over my entire lid, and that is just going to be our base for our colors, of course. Next I'm going to go into the palette, and I'm going to take Summer Yum, and this is like a nice little burnt orangey color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. That is kind of where you want to start your eyeshadows, just for a good transition color. You want it to be a neutral color, but be creative, be bold. Sometimes you want to use bolder colors or dark colors, but today we're using Summer Yum. Then I'm going back in with Charmed I'm Sure. I didn't show this part, but I'm putting that exactly in my crease. I'm using my concealer. I'm going to carve out a small little circle on my lid. Then I'm going to go in with White Peach, and I'm going to put that right there on that concealer. That's going to help that concealer not be as tacky and give us a base for the next color we're using that I didn't show you, but it's called Nectar. And I really like Nectar, but then I decided to go over Nectar with Bellini, and that's just going to help that pink be a little darker and have a little more shimmer to it. Now I'm just taking another color that I forgot to show you guys. I'm so sorry, but it's called Talk Derby to Me, and I'm putting that on the outside. Now we are putting on some wing liner real quick, and then we're going back in with Peaches and Cream, and I put that in my tear duct. Now I'm going ahead and applying my lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes that I really do love. And now I'm going in with my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm putting my lips on, and now we can go ahead and cue the slow mode. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This video is not sponsored, of course, but I will definitely sponsor Too Faced. Let me know. Come on, slide in that email. I will definitely sponsor. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright, so I don't know what's up with me and all this dancing lately. I cannot dance, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Keep shining bright like a diamond. Bye.